For all modeling operations, you first select the related elements. There are 4 types of selectable elements, and corresponding selection modes. Objects. These are collections of lines, curves, and surfaces. Individual instances can be selected and transformed independently. Faces. Usually planar. Surface components. Edges. The borders of faces, possibly shared by 2 or more faces. And also lines. The segments of freehand lines. And of splines. And arcs. Vertices. The corners of faces, possibly shared by many faces. And also the junctures and endpoints of lines, spline segments, and arcs. The modeling tools and commands vary with the selection modes. Some only work in certain modes, while others adapt their behavior to the type of elements selected. The arrow and spiral ribbons therefore start with the selection modes. The available tools and commands depend on the mode selected. You can select any number of elements, and then apply every meaningful operation to them at once. For faces, edges are vertices. They may belong to different objects. Where needed, these are combined automatically, for example bridge or weld. For sculpting objects, elements can also be selected partially so that the effect of transformations gradually decreases with the distance from the explicitly selected point or region, called soft selection. If multiple elements are selected, there always is one active element, which is treated special by some operations. When adding an individual element to the selection, it becomes active. To make a specific selected element active, first deselect it, then select it again. How the selected elements and the active element are indicated, and how preview highlight is performed, depends on the element type and active tool, and can be changes in the preferences. For vertices, dots with a specific color or size are displayed. Edges are displayed in a specific color. Faces may be filled in a specific color, or their boundary edges may be displayed in a specific color. To choose with the Fill Selected Faces preference. For objects, the wireframe is displayed in a specific color. The ribbon items, object, face, edge and vertex are special. They serve both as tools and as indicators for the selection mode. When a selection tool is active, the ribbon item shows in green, the active tool color. There are many tools and commands for selecting, which can be used successively to select all the desired elements. They are available from the arrow, spiral and rainbow ribbon. By default, only the lasso tool is shown. The other tools are grouped in the selection rollout, which can be expanded or collapsed by tapping the symbol right from the lasso tool. To clear the selection, tap the tool zone somewhere away from any object, or tap the view zone. Tapping the view zone always clears the selection, and does not select elements at the tap position.